Jackie, 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 Jackie. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Who do I think I am, Beyonce? Hey guys, it's Deepica. So today's video, I am going to probably completely butcher doing anything close to Miss Jackie Aina's makeup looks, but I'm going to attempt because I am so excited about her brand new collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I feel like we need to give a close-up moment to this. Beautiful, it has like a snake skinny texture to it. It just, to me, is so Jackie, 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 Jackie. I tried. I'm not gonna do it. I can't do it like her. No, I'm gonna try. Okay, ready? Jackie, 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 Jackie. Jackie, 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 Jackie. I wish you were right here next to me right now so like you could fully make fun of me because I feel like she's really good at calling me out if I ever do anything that's like not me, but I tried. Jackie, Jackie, Jackie. Okay, I'm done. I'm so excited because the girl is killing it in life and I'm so happy for her success. The girl is one of my closest friends in this space and she is as real gets. She's like one of those people that will call you when things are like going wrong. Like it's not just like an industry thing. Like at the end of the day, I will go so hard for that girl because she is a real one. That's all I have to say. Period. There's all these gorgeous colors here, but I was like, man, anyone who follows my channel knows that eyeshadow is not my thing. I've never recreated one of Jackie's looks, and every time she does her eye makeup, I'm always like, teach me your ways. So I figured, why not combine the Jackie Aina challenge, kind of recreate one of her looks, and use her brand new incredible palette all in one. So here I am, ready to completely get made fun of. I'm not a makeup artist. I am just your girl trying to navigate through the beauty space and hopefully help people figure out what works for them like it works for me. So the first thing I'm seeing Jackie do before she puts on any of the three colors that she got through her Jackie Aina challenge was she placed a concealer over her lid. Whenever I do concealer, but it's a Friday. And if you guys are wondering what else I have on my face, I'm gonna link it all down below. So first things first, Jackie says to put on concealer first on your lid, which makes total sense. It'll help the shadows stay on your lid. So I'm gonna do that using this Dominique Cosmetics brush so it really like is on there. Damn, I feel like my face is gonna melt off because it's so hot. So hot.
If you use a concealer for your eyelid, but if it's like your skin tone or darker, the shadows aren't gonna pop as much. If it's a little bit light.
So to be totally honest with you guys, I don't actually own eyeshadow primers anymore because I just use Perk in the Hue Stick shade as an eyeshadow primer because it is slightly lighter than my lid. It has like a peachy pink color to it. It just gives you some creamy consistency. Okay, now to get to the part that I'm scared about. So Jackie's color assortment starts with...
So we've got to work with edges, we have to work with Shookington, and we have to work with Zola.
I can work with some Dolas. You guys are literally gonna die in the comments, I know it. Shookington is a very different, like these two colors together I would use on Mardi Gras, but not like my normal life or like an Indian wedding, but whatever, let's do it. Where do I start? Where does the purple go?
Definitely gonna put edges in the crease area. So let's start there.
Okay, edges in the crease area, got it. Okay. I'm using the brush that's in the palette to see how that works for you. I'm scared. Why does eyeshadow freak me out so much? Wow. I mean, you guys know how much I love a color like this, and this color is beautiful. It's like not even, okay, you know what? I thought it was a burnt orange, but it's more like a brick smoky red. Okay, wait, she went all the way in. I'm going all the way in. Some people guess like, oh, is Live Tinted gonna come out with an eyeshadow palette? I just could never do that unless we collabed with somebody, maybe somebody in the community who's a makeup artist. I'm telling you, in the foreseeable future, there's plenty of really talented people with really good artistry that can come out with palettes. For me, our brand is way more about the everyday girl just trying to figure out how to put on like a liner. If somebody asked me to put a palette together, I'd be like, orange, a little bit of this, another this, and like a range of that, you know? Can I tell you what stresses me out is like now that this is all packed in there, it's the blending. I wish more people would show the blending because like I don't know where to begin. Like I'm gonna just do what I think I see people do online. This is the other side of the ABH brush. We're just gonna get through this together, guys. If you are like me and you're like, I don't know what to do with eyeshadow either. I'm just gonna do a bunch of back and forths. I feel like that's what people do, right? Okay, this is the blended outside. I mean, it looks fine, right? Right? Okay, I don't think I'm doing this half bad. I'm like my own cheerleader right now. Now into, I believe, Shookington is gonna be next.
I actually underestimated her power next to edges. Just getting change of plans. I actually want to cut my crease before I do this.
What? What? You just change your mind like that? I just started. Ah! She decided to cut her crease. I, in my entire life, have not cut my crease. I've always, like, whenever people do it on YouTube, I'm like, what does it even mean? So this has officially become an actual challenge. I think, honestly, you guys, whenever people say cut their crease, I'm like, what does it actually mean? But I'm pretty sure it means you're putting concealer on your lid until your crease. And if y'all are watching this being like, Deepica, how are you a beauty influencer and don't know that? Great question. If I can do it, you can too, right? So let's get through this together. Let's walk through this tutorial together. Okay. All right, now she's going into with the purple. I'm using the Dominique Cosmetics, the Crease Blur. Oh, that feels like the right one to use. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Doing flawless first, although it makes sense, like blended to perfection, we gotta do what we gotta do.
Okay, so then she goes back with edges to blend the two together. I hope this doesn't just look like mud.
I'm just patting it in, and as you can see.
Okay, now I'm supposed to stipple in. Stipple, I know what that means. Stipple, like this, in the corners, stippling. Okay. All right, stipple over here. Stipples, stipple action. That means like pressing it onto your lid. Like packing it into the shadow and then pressing it onto your lid rather than buffing. Stipple. Do I look like a clown? Okay, she's painting doulas right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Stress me out. Okay. Okay, that looks really pretty now. Kind of into that. She put the gold right in the middle. I do feel like I look like LSU right now. A little bit of Mardi Gras. Shout out to Shreveport, Louisiana. You lived there for 2 years. All right, before I move on, I feel like I need to just take a clean brush and buff all of this together. Then she said she uses a purple liner in her waterline. So I'm taking this one from L'Oreal. No, I'm not, because it's not sharpening up. Okay, so I'm using this one from Makeup Forever in my waterline. Okay, so now we're just gonna take some Shookington and add to the bottom lash line.
You guys know how I feel about purple along the bottom lash line, right? Like, we've discussed this, right?
I really do love purple on my skin tone. It is very beautiful.
I'm gonna also blend edges right beneath where we applied that purple.
Oh, I think the edges really brought it together.
Sometimes a matte inner corner highlight is a moment. It definitely is a status symbol.
Right, I want a moment.
It is a political statement. I'm gonna put doulas like right over it. I did wet the brush so that I get a little bit.
This is what I got, guys. This is what I got for you. I tried. I did every step that she did. And holy crap, that was really stressful. I feel like with Jackie looks, you have to put fake lashes on. So let me just put on some mascara and fake lashes. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I feel proud of myself. I got out of my comfort zone. I went in for it. I did a Jackie Aina makeup look. I did her challenge. And you know what? I have to go out tonight because I haven't had lashes on since some cousin's wedding a while back. But I hope you learned from this is that if I can even semi-do this, so can you. Congratulations to Jackie Aina on your beautiful collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. You are a real one. You are an incredible person, and I'm so happy for all of your success. And I think I need to wear purple more. That's what I think. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see me recreate someone else's videos on YouTube for a good laugh, I don't think I completely butchered this, personally. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
my snatch. Gotta get them eyes.